Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Chic Room Decoration. Step into the world of elegant and stylish room transformations where we bring you the best tips, tricks and inspiration to create your dream living space. Our channel is dedicated to all things chic, offering a delightful blend of interior design, dye projects and creative ideas to make your rooms shine with sophistication. Join us on this exciting journey as we explore various room styles from contemporary and minimalist to bohemian and guide you through each step of the process, sharing valuable insights and showcasing the latest trends in room decor. Here's what you can expect from our channel. Number 1, room makeover. Watch as we transform dull and uninspiring spaces into a stunning heaven of style and the key design. We will share before and after reviews highlighting the key design choices that made all the differences. Number 2, dye project. Get your creative juices flowing with our hands-on dye tutorials. From upcycling furniture to creating unique wall art, we will provide step-by-step instructions and handy tips to help you personalize your space on a budget. Number 3, decorating tips. Discover the secrets behind achieving a chic aesthetic. We will share expert advice on color schemes, furniture selection, lighting, accessorizing, and more. Learn how to combine different elements to create a cohesive and visually pleasing room. Number 4, trend spotting. Stay up to date with the latest trends in interior design. We will keep you informed about emerging styles, materials, and decor ideas so you can